Hello there and welcome back to another video on my channel. How are we doing today? Today I'm going to be filming a tiny little baking tip video, and this is how I half my egg. I do put these into the majority of videos, as you guys will know, but I thought, you know, for reference purposes you can just see this one if you needed just how to half an egg and not the entire video around it. So to half your egg, the first thing we are going to do is put our new bowl that our egg is going to go into our scales and set that to 0. Well, turn it on and set it to 0, which mine now is. Now I'm going to tip all of this egg into this bowl. Behave. So that's at 49 grams. That is not an equal measurement, so it's not helpful, because half of 40 is 20, half of 9 is 4.5. So I'm going to go 24, 25, round about that number. So I'm now going to take this bowl out of my scales, put my original bowl back in and set my scales to 0, which they now are. And now I'm going to tip this egg, well, half of this egg back into this bowl to equal 24, 25 grams. So that is now at 24 grams, and that is it. That's it, completely finished. So that is it, a quick, short, sharp and sweet video on how to do this. I hope you find it useful. And that is it. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Don't forget to check out all the links in the description, as I love them all and wouldn't put them there if I didn't, including the instructions on how to do this and all of the links to all of the equipment you will need to be able to do this. Let me know in the comments of anything else you'd like to see me make gluten, lactose or yeast free, as I do them all. And finally, don't forget to like, leave a nice comment and subscribe if you want to see more, and I will see you next time. Bye!